And I'm happy that the good people of Western North are wise enough. They cannot be April Fool. And you would say areas are able to some constituencies. It belongs to NDC.
Mama Akwaba, wa frame Ajua searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. NDC for it is about time. I say, Motiase, Namodisha Muntrim say, this country called Ghana no, Enya Mondia. Enya Mondiande, Ochina, na the change so come with the beer. By saying Akopa my ye mubia dream de. We will continue to know, say, NDC party no, Enya party papia. And I make us say, a whole communicator. Akotna Adom TV say Western North your modia until they will win. Obo NPP to say Honorable Kobina Minta account on a constituency say she Joaboso she will win. Because Western North 2001. So when I'm talking about Western North, I am passionate about that. Because Western of 2001. 2001, no. 2001, no. This is a regional. First, no kwana any na Western region. So sana na do better Western North. Akwa Western North. Na Western region no. Ebi atakwa and atakra de ena na hoyo okay. But constituency in Kaino. As at 2001, I realized a be not a painful because the be a make way a painful because in so after planning yet it is an emergency but no more transfer so I'm the walk or entry I am district capital now and yes session amico Western North near what I will win and near what session was I now will win a making and it's all because they're planning yet. Ona private can call when don't care. Just what you load in the pa. Omo load in your man a car near ma. Care no your man in the party to so. Constituents win American 17. Now concession so a wants the same thing. From entry to that dear so. Wow, what's it ho? Uko school what that dear so. But Cassandra Quino, the state of that one, Equina at that time, and at the state of Equino and there. Session also in the Moyamon region because we feel entry eba takra those days ube spend 2 days ube do criminal as a woofy just I don't figure na hakwana waba because na yen foot through saying soon na tonso ateche because by hook or by crook answer na wa could do takra no where see fame and I'm where pia can to na be ateche. This is region American Wasem, this is constituency American Wasem, this is district American Wasem. And this region or constituency or district or whatever, no, NDC stronghold. In fact, I will win. As at 2001, I remember call no. What I know is NDC now. I was so sad since 2001 till now. The same thing applies to Honorable Kwabena Minta Kano and those kind of MPs, no. So you can obviously tell, say NDC and no really Western North as is Western region as is Western North no till date. Maybe a cocoa fiber proud. In so no more coin enye. Now you have the audacity to sit on radio and say Western North here NDC there so we will win. Moyare. Excuse my language. Moyare, you are mad. And Western North this year. What of Western North? Because she also says she jabo so says she a contomra says she and here asankregwa enchi dade so boenso jema asemko what asem chrome na hemfa no wa beto aba uba akwaje paper akwaje ballot box mi do say NDC suato aba mo no onye correct wadwenye adwuma because from a libo to enchi ekwan no na private car mfa so da but ende private car faso sometimes me ko hono na se me ba central region na me hu ekwan ya central region for a company so mo kwan ye because pothole kakra bi do mo kwan mo nti na mo company ye kwan ye na emestre me so mo nkwa Western North mo nkwa hwe ni hyade ende enyenyenye mo nya new region mo akwan me say Western North wa wo fi no come and tell me say na nado ba onye mo akwan ma mo na wa to aba ma NDC no be ka che ne kwan a NDC aye wo Western North NDC communicator na aye board abeta TV so aka say Western North your modi anede no mo ni madwuma mo aye wo ho say by hook or by crook be win because regional yende na say constituency yende no almost school ni shede no and Western North your regional mo ko school papa they are more educated Western North almost do back to school basa but I say one wechi like almost French in a border one wechi so you know the kind of place I'm talking about. Intimate obvious, even no one could school, no. Still, granddad or Mukakrombe, but I'm telling you, then this in India about no better that one most or shame gonna so. Honorable problem in Takan or moon to know. In fact, moon to NDC MPs, Nana for NPP on the Boamon brand, and Ghana for ya party by Bebo mine, and in a moment on tenants no really or money kakra. Now back and forth, no. I'd also, ain't some man or the two.
I believe some grandpa him say NPP aben we need disaster. Maybe our dear Baba Drone Nkuyi. It's not about say you're creating region Mobi, you're creating district Mobi. If you are given a house and you don't have water to drink in that house, what's the essence of giving that giving you that house? You are not region. Wuniaje. Which you say. Anyway, I'm in North now. I'm not from a cocoa-grown area. Okay. But I've lived in this country. We grew up with people from those areas. Some are our brothers, our comrades. Me, I'm a
because in accordance with law, Omo Bumrasu, Obiti Sevamawo, you've been charged for treason before. Now I saw could two police for key. At watching the journey. Ya remande. One say ya, Ukrawa sem the bay west. I would prefer say we will demonstrate and plead with the court. Rather than say you catch a Kufuado say onyai demonstrators. Because then I say Kufuado na actually demonstrators atum. Are you getting me? Ghana higher from so say an institution will do something. Instead of us, a CEO of an institution, and I am Bonnie. Instead of us to deal with the institution and the CEO, they are jamming in a buying. Yes, but once a sandy panel, he goes behind no Aquaco protect it. Now the interview was say, me, I am a beneficiary of demonstration. But we had 60 regions NDC demonstrated. What is BBC? Apart from a little scuffle, regional administration, and no cranny and play electoral commission for say, I don't know when Pia Meju Omoniema, John Dramani Mahama, Asiadun Ketia, and in Pennyphobe 16 regions. NDC had a demonstration. What is BBC? How can 50 people pay? Now could create a whole lot. We are saying no. Yachi nipano. Dear so born ya debo womu. Court no say womunko dem na ochimi enumra. There is a team that say free demonstration hub for no democracy hub for. It's their right. This time around. Omo ye freedom no mind 3 days wakra. What to say BBSC? It means something went wrong. Something went wrong, and they do almost court. Maybe a judge no crowd transem no. Otie ni free mountain ba man for your freedom no crowd. Obe free wo. But say ka say Akufuado nyai wo mo a. It makes it difficult because nanano na chi wo mo ana. Enti president bi aban do so no be ye bone ne chi na president na chi no ana. We should start moving away and be educated on these things. And on the ma, Abrante could din yamran sem no Johnny Akose party echi. na emre dawa was ye di no na party ntino ni ejai no party wa power ni nipa bi ye bone o se etwe na so no yes we NPP ni na order from above ni san semuru no ni ejai no oyo opposition dia e pese e mani hu so aye bone saa de de atra oban mu saa eti ama emrante ne maba wa bi with impunity ebu mraso
Sumpa FM.
Young man ya na lead demonstration ekowi ase na or the facing crofop posters on my boka atotetia so and no demonstration. What has that got to do? Kohe krata omutro koma police na you say even galamsey kura na ka ho. I read it. Na galamsey mponka ho. Oh, when we are getting to elections, na bibi kitwa bi people take advantage and do a mo yesa eya come here say ye be call about to the mrakra ni disi e ma na ye adwuma. You can be against government, but emra etimitiwa ipa na me se me demonstration na me call here no makọ block so am kwan ya already traffic was police for by so man in the demonstration ye nya me na menye na omo ko so am ni important nyina no me si kwan because your friend of mine and I'm a citizen na omo twam no omo sabio manusi mu aso omo ye mu a are they not also citizens? And this man had the gas on national television say Ghana form way Ghana mua bebrebe bi wa na hede na yeso so ne maso sa in the name and no tin obi ti ba bia o say eya ye say ebi mu se political lens. All of a sudden TUC ye huna mane ya galamsey you are so man kasa. Now we are going to elections. All of a sudden, TUC is founding a demonstration. Yeah, cause strike. Time